Hi, my name's Chad Boston, founder and owner of EverTech Solutions, and I've been repairing computers for probably, let's say 25 years conservatively, but I got my start repairing or playing and programming the Commodore VIC-20 back when I was 13 years old. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show how anybody could build their own computer, from putting the parts together to loading the software and then updating the software. We're going to show the screencast on how to do that. So what we're going to be able to do is show you how to build a computer from the ground up, how to load the software, how to update your software, and protect yourself from viruses. Once you learn how to do this, then even if you do get a virus, you can go back to save all your files and go back and make sure that you don't have a virus by totally redoing your system. And it's recommended actually do about once a year. So without any further ado, let us go ahead and start showing you. Soda? Not soda. Not soda. Okay, first I'm going to show you some of the parts that go into building a computer. Okay, to start with, the main board. And the main board we're going to be using today is an Asus A55BME. So, there it is. We have that. We're going to use the AMD A series. AMD A series. Let's go ahead and get a good look at that. A5300, A4 5300. We're going to use a DVD by LG, DVD burner. And a 500 gigabyte Western Digital hard drive, crucial 2 gigabyte DDR3 PC 12,800, or 12,800. So, that's that. Oh, and here's the case. This is a very good case. Alright. I think it's a 450 watt power supply. And what we do is I'm going to reacquaint the camera now. So what we have here is the side of the case. We're taking the screws off. And let's get a focus. Okay. Alright. Okay. So, what we have here So we have the power supply. This power supply happens to be rated at 400 watts, right there. So, inside the case, you have a power cord, and you have a bag of various parts. These parts are used to put it together, and I save and use those. It's good to tie everything off and make it look nice, but we'll show that later. All right. Oh yeah. What this is this is a paper that you should not eat. You see this paper? Don't eat it. It's instead of the little because it comes from over in Asia. It's to keep it from rusting, keep the moisture down, and it says can't quite read it, but basically it talks about inhibitors. So, but you don't want to eat it. It's just like those little silica packets. So we'll throw that away. And my studio is a bit warm. So, all right. So you have this down here. Let's see. Can't get a. There it is. This down here. So kind of wrapped up in all these different attachments, but let's go ahead and pull this off and save it. And what these are all just little connectors. Let me tie everything off. Okay. So this right here is your HD audio cable, and this is your AC 97 for older. So you probably won't be using the pigtail. And then this is your USB connector for the motherboard. And then these colorful ones right here. These colorful ones, those go for the hard drive LED, the power switch, the power LED, and the reset switch. So these, what I like to do is I like to tuck these kind of just over the side of the case while I'm working on it and getting ready. So take these wire ties, put them in your bag, right there, put them in your bag. Alright. Set your bag aside. And then these connectors here, I just pull off the rubber band. Let me go ahead and pull off the bottom panel. Get it ready and set it aside.